Imagine yourself going to work. You are preparing yourself as you have one of the most important roles in the building. It's your job to help provide a clean and healthy restroom to building occupants and visitors. Clean restrooms in any commercial facility are extremely important. It is well known that clean restrooms reflect very positively on the reputation of the facility, the health of its occupants, and you, the cleaning team member. That is why we at SC Johnson Professional want to help you be successful by providing great products and this instructional video. Our goal is for you to be the star. So we recommend following the SC Johnson Professional Star Clean process to help ensure a clean and sanitary restroom by using the following steps. Setup, trash management. Apply high-quality cleaning products. Replace restroom consumables. Finish by cleaning all the following areas: toilets and urinals, sinks, mirrors, and floors. From top to bottom, dry to wet, and then always finish by working your way out the door. Let's look closer at the step-by-step Star Clean process for restroom cleaning to ensure positive results and a job well done. A clean facility begins long before entering the restroom. At the mop closet or storage area, check to make sure you are well organized before getting to your assigned cleaning areas. Make sure you review the steps necessary to do a great job. This video, reference charts, and other materials are designed to be an aid for success. Have all the necessary cleaning products, protective equipment, signs, cleaning cloths, and tools available. Read all the product directions to ensure proper use. If you have further questions, please talk with your supervisor. Know where to find safety data sheets for the cleaning products you will use. Have properly labeled trigger spray bottles. For True Shot, this is easy. Just make sure you have all the True Shot concentrate cartridges with you. Fill your mop bucket or floor cleaning tool with water and the appropriate SC Johnson Professional Heavy Duty Neutral Floor Cleaner. Then proceed to your first cleaning assignment. When you arrive at the restroom you are assigned to clean, make sure you knock and clearly announce your presence and intention for anyone that is possibly in the restroom at the time. Then close the restroom for use by setting up the proper signage and enter the restroom prepared to clean. First, pick up debris, remove the trash, and replace liners. Then wipe down trash receptacles. For optimal cleaning effectiveness, use True Shot Restroom Cleaner. For stainless steel, use glass cleaner. Dust horizontal surfaces and sweep or dust mop floors to remove any loose particulate soil. Apply SC Johnson Professional Acid or Non-Acid Bowl Cleaner to toilet bowls and urinals. Apply True Shot Restroom or Restroom Disinfectant Cleaner on all other surfaces except mirrors. Pay special attention to disinfect touch points in the restroom. Focus on surfaces like door handles, push plates, faucets, counters, and flush handles. Don't wipe the surfaces immediately, but keep them wet to optimize dwell time for cleaning and disinfection while doing other tasks in the restroom. Spray sinks, urinals, toilet bowls, and surrounding floor with disinfectant and let the product dwell. Follow the True Shot disinfectant label to determine how long the surface must remain wet for optimal disinfection. Check and replace paper towels, toilet paper, and the SC Johnson Professional Hand Soap and Sanitizer. Clean and wipe dispensers with True Shot disinfectant or restroom cleaner. According to your microfiber program in place, use a designated cleaning cloth for disinfectants. If the dispensers are stainless steel, you may want to use the True Shot glass cleaner to ensure a smooth, reflective finish. Next, clean the toilets, urinals, and adjacent areas. Clean inside of toilet and urinals with a toilet brush or Johnny Mop and product applied earlier. Flush the toilet to complete. Clean the dividers and adjacent walls with a damp cloth or sponge to remove soil with product applied earlier. Then wipe down outside of the toilets and urinals. Never use the same cleaning cloths or towels to clean bowls, urinals, and other surfaces. Clean difficult soils like graffiti with the SC Johnson Professional True Shot Power Cleaner. Use True Shot Glass Cleaner to clean mirrors, stainless surfaces, and light fixtures. Next, clean the sink areas and other touch-point surfaces. Use a damp cloth or sponge to remove soil. Wipe down sinks, faucets, and all surrounding areas sprayed earlier. If there is graffiti or other difficult soil, it may be necessary to use True Shot Power Cleaner or Cream Cleanser to effectively clean. Now move to clean the mirrors, stainless, and lights. Spray True Shot Glass Cleaner on mirrors, all stainless surfaces, and light fixtures. Then wipe immediately with cloth. The final step is to clean the floors. For best results, use the mop and bucket or other specialized equipment that you filled with water and SC Johnson Professional Heavy Duty Neutral Cleaner before beginning to clean. SC Johnson Professional Heavy Duty Neutral Floor Cleaner is mixed 1 to 2 ounces per 4 gallons of water, 1 to 512 for daily cleaning, and 1 to 256 to help remove even more aggressive soil. In some settings, the SC Johnson Professional Quaternary Disinfectant Cleaner is preferred for cleaning the floors. If the floor is a grouted tile, using an appropriate brush to scrub when needed will keep the grout looking good as well. Take off gum and other debris with appropriate tools or scraper if needed. Inspect using your checklist and return the restroom to service. Make sure you didn't miss a step. Setup, trash management. Apply high-quality cleaning products. Replace restroom consumables. Make sure all your tools and equipment are ready to move on to the next job or into storage. If the floors are dry, pick up signs and prepare for your next assignment. As you reflect on the job you have just completed, you should feel good. By using the proper tools, high-quality SC Johnson Professional products, and these simple steps, you have made the restroom a safe and clean environment, which keeps everyone healthier and happier. When you do a great job cleaning a restroom, you are the star.